Kidney explosion from TV explosion. My dad upset for crying. Explosion for this street. And it's working TV. Fixing the choppy quality. Explosion for a widescreen for a microphone. In your socks and your shoes and your phone. Exploding for your destination. In your confidence in streets and invitation. 40 days ago. Then emergency electric and Garner said no speaker. Crashes die down. Builds up extremely. Low quality fan. Shandy extremely. Explosion tape and for your biscuits and no fan credits and everything. A weakness and kindness and a party and explosion. Diving and McDonald's and TV and the folio for open CD and the tapes and messages and for grapes and 20 minutes and extended seconds for TV and 2 seconds recorder.